guys, this is Herman again, and already just my review. And as you guys can see, I got here my Ridgeline, and back there I got my wife's Escape, and I got a new acquisition for my daughter. This is her first automobile, and this is a Toyota Yaris 2008, and this is something real good that I got. And guys, well, I'm gonna do something today. I'm gonna start doing videos in this guy right here. As you guys can see, look at this yellow lights, real messed up. You know, the gears, looks like the guys didn't took care of this. Something really easy to maintain, but well, you know, it wasn't the case in this one. I'm gonna do something today, guys, and I'm gonna fix this with something that everybody can use, and is this guy right here. I got the Meguiar's metal polish for motorcycles, and basically we're gonna use this to fix those lights. Let's go and do it. All right, guys, I have it right here. I just apply a little bit right here. You guys can see the difference if you compare this one and against the other one right here. It's a big difference. You guys can start noticing the difference, but let me just put a little bit more right here. I'm gonna start rubbing this, and make sure just don't touch the paint. I just gonna do this, I gotta do it in detail. I gotta put some tape around. The best way to do this is put tape around the paint. You guys don't wanna touch the paint with the polish, because you guys can can damage the paint if you rub it on top of it. You don't want to do that. But the best way is, for example, if you guys can put it right on top, it's going to start absorbing basically the chemicals of this. Just basically put it right there. You can leave it rest for a little bit. And for all of you guys that are following me and my channel, and for those new guys out there, well, welcome to my channel. This is Herman again in another Just My Review. And for all you guys that are following me for years and new guys, well, I got a surprise for you guys. I just got this Toyota Yaris. As you guys know, take a quick look on this car. Let me know how much you think I paid for this car. And the first guy today, I'm gonna give 2 months. Today is July 29, 2022. And for all of you guys that guess the price I pay for this, the first guy, just only one guy, the first guy telling me how much I pay in the comments, I'm gonna contact you and I'm gonna give you the 2% I pay in a gift card from Amazon. As a gift, please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and share the video. Now I'm gonna start doing videos not only for the Ridgeline, for the Escape. You guys know I got a lot of videos of that. Now for all of you guys that got Toyota Yaris, well, I'm gonna start doing some things. I just fixed this area right here with a product. Unfortunately, I couldn't show you guys what I did in here, but this one, it was completely messed up. I used a special plastic protector from Chemical Guys, and it's very good restoring plastic. Let me show you that, guys, real quick. I'll be back in 1 second. Okay, guys, this is the product from Chemical Guys, and this is the best of the best. That's the product I use in my Ridgeline. As you guys can see, this cover, I've been using this since last year, and you know, honestly, with one coat is good enough for the whole entire year, and the finish is great. You guys can see that black, real deep black, and it's very nice. And the same thing I'm using it here. Gonna be on, we're July, August, September 29th. It's gonna be basically the last day where I'm gonna choose a guy, and the way I'm gonna do it is gonna contact you personally. I'm gonna send you an email or a message, and you guys gotta respond. If you don't respond in 3 days, you lost the reward, and it's gonna be the next guy. And for the winner, you know, I'm gonna give you the gift card from Amazon, and I'm gonna send you the code directly to you. Okay, well, guys, let me finish this, and I'm gonna show you guys how it is looking right now. This is the quickest or easiest way, one of the easiest ways, some people say you can use toothpaste, and if you want to spend 3 hours doing that, I know, I'm sorry, if you want to spend 3 hours doing that, well, you know, you can do it. But with this product right here, you guys kick this out really fast, and the only thing you guys gotta need is a little bit of patience right here, not that much. If you guys got a buffer, forget about it. This is gonna be quick. Now just I'm showing you right now how quick is this just with a rock, and basically what, we don't have long doing this, and you know, everybody can do it. At least, you know, you can fix your lights for a little bit. Look at that, look at the way it's looking right now. You guys can see the yellowish is going out and it's disappearing. Keep buffering, and you guys can see the difference. Like I told you guys, this is a 2009 Yaris, and you know, if you don't want to change your light, you guys can do this, and you're gonna change the appearance of these lights. You know, this is years and years of non-care, and after this, if you guys use wax to put on top, you guys can put a ceramic coat. After that, you gotta wash it real good and remove all the dirt and whatever is left in here, and then you put a ceramic coat. It's gonna be protected for a long time, and it's gonna protect from UAB rays and everything from the sun, and well, it's gonna come perfect. But I'm gonna do it like this right now to show you guys how it's looking, and take a look, guys. Just, you know, basically just this little step right here, it removes a lot of the look at that comparison with the other one. It's a huge difference, right? You guys can see the difference, and this is just a little bit. It's not even that much. If you guys use a buffer, this is gonna be completely, you guys can feel, it's still, you can feel, you guys can hear that? You see, this area right here is a little bit better because I get it deeper, but look at this, you see? You can feel how rough it is. Well, all that is gone. It's gonna be gone when you use the clear coat or ceramic wax. Okay, guys? Well, guys, that's it. God bless you all. Thumbs up, and see you guys in another Just My Review. Remember, subscribe, and whoever can tell me, the first guy, you know, you're gonna get the 2% of the price. Guess how much I pay for this Yaris 2008. See you guys today. Bye-bye.
You can't do that, T.
Okay, guys, I got another customer right here with a Toyota Corolla, and look at the light. Okay, now I'm gonna apply it right here. You guys see? Look at this. I'm not kidding. This is not a joke. Look at this. Look at my nails. I'm basically scratching this. This is not something fake. You guys see? Look at this. That's a little bit of this. So you guys will see the difference. It's not something like you guys gotta do like crazy. Oh my god, this is a whole project for the entire day. No, that's it. It's something quick. This is not even. If you wanna do it more detail, oh, you guys can do it. But if you guys just want to do something fast and you guys want to fix your lights quicker, just put a little bit of this polish, and you guys can see right now the difference. And that's a little bit, and it's amazingly good. The paint, the headlight, and you don't need nothing else. Just at the end, remember, wash it and put some clear coat or any wax every 2 to 3 months. When you wash your car, put some wax, and that's it. Okay, take a look. Look how it looks right now. Look at the big difference. Okay, look at this. That was what? 2 minutes? You guys got something like that? Alright, guys, that's it. Remember, subscribe. See you guys later. God bless you all. Bye-bye.